3D holographic advertising machine. It's a type of display technology that uses lamp beads attached to rapidly spinning blades to create the illusion of 3D holographic images. The fan's spinning motion is fast enough that the blades become invisible to the human eye, and it displays images that appear to float in midair. It creates the illusion of three-dimensional images that can be viewed from different angles. Typically lightweight and easy to set up, making them ideal for events, retail displays, and exhibitions. It can be controlled via smartphone apps to change the displayed content. Users can upload their own videos or images to be displayed as 3D holograms. The 3D effect is designed to capture attention, making it effective for advertising and promotional purposes. Hologram fans are increasingly popular for a variety of applications due to their ability to create eye-catching 3D visuals. It is used for advertising and marketing. At retail stores, hologram fans are used to display dynamic, floating 3D ads that capture customer attention. At trade shows and exhibitions, they create engaging displays that showcase products or services in a visually appealing way. At restaurants and bars, menus, specials, or branded content can be presented in a unique format that stands out. Used for entertainment and events. At concerts and performances, hologram fans can be used to create 3D effects on stage, enhancing the visual experience. At product launches, they offer a modern, tech-savvy way to unveil new products with visual impact. At theme parks, used in attractions to create immersive environments or storytelling experiences. Used for education and training. At museums and exhibits, hologram fans can display historical artifacts or scientific concepts in 3D, making learning more interactive. At corporate training, used to visualize complex concepts or processes in training sessions, making information more accessible. Used for real estate and architecture. At property showcases, hologram fans can display 3D models of buildings or interiors, giving clients a better sense of space and design. At virtual tours, enhance presentations by allowing potential buyers to visualize properties in 3D. Used in medical field. In medical training, hologram fans can display anatomical structures in 3D, aiding in the education of medical students. In patient communication, doctors can use holograms to explain medical conditions or procedures to patients in a more understandable way. Used for retail and e-commerce. In product displays, in stores, hologram fans can be used to display products in 3D, allowing customers to see them from all angles. In interactive showcases, some stores use hologram fans to allow customers to interact with products virtually. Used for art and design. In digital art installations, artists use hologram fans to create moving 3D art that engages viewers. In design showcases, used to present concepts or prototypes in a visually appealing way. For hospitality, providing guests with engaging information about services, promotions, or events in hotels and restaurants.